Good morning and a warm welcome. You're watching CNN News 18 with me, Grihato Siddiqui. Our top focus remains on Kolkata as nationwide protests over the RG Kar rape and murder case continues to intensify. The father alleged that his cremated in haste by the authorities. He's also accused the Chief Minister of the state, Ms. Mamata Banerjee, of trying to stop protesters from raising their voices. He has alleged that neither the medical college nor the department is cooperating in the probe against the accused, adding further that there can be a larger conspiracy at play. The Supreme Court has taken the suo motu cognizance in the matter and will be beginning hearing tomorrow in this case. And in the midst of all these allegations and counter allegations, doctors will continue their protest. Dr. Kunal Sarkar and Subarna Goswami, who were summoned yesterday by the police for allegedly spreading misinformation, will go to the police headquarters at around 3 this afternoon. Doctors will be rallying behind them. TV Ananda Bose has also sought time to meet with Union Home Minister Amit Shah and also Union Health Minister JP Nadda regarding this very incident.
नहीं हमसे बात नहीं हुआ उसके कोई बात नहीं होना उन्होंने पढ़ा बोला हम उनको हमारा ऑफिस में आने के लिए बोलो एकदम हम लोग डिपार्टमेंट का कोई नहीं और कॉलेज का कोई हमारा साथ कोऑपरेट नहीं किया पहले से तो हम ये बोल रहा है यही तो दिक्कत है हम लोगों का जो डिपार्टमेंट पूरा इसलिए इन्वॉल्व है इसमें जो क्रिमिनेशन घाट का बारे में बोलता है श्मशान घाट के बारे में उधर 3 बॉडी पड़ा हुआ था लेकिन उसका पहले ही हमारा लड़की का बॉडी जला दिया गया
দোষীদের তাড়াতাড়ি ধরে ফেলবো কিছুই তো দেখতে পেলাম না যে এখনো পর্যন্ত কেউ ধরা পড়লো কোনো ক্লু পেল একজন ধরা পড়েছে ওকে তো আমি মনেই করছি না ও ভেতরের লোক না থাকলে বাইরের ও কি করে জানলো আমার মেয়ে ওখানে আছে আমার পুরো ডিপার্টমেন্ট মনে হচ্ছে দায়ী এর জন্য ভিতরের লোক বলতে আমি পুরো ডিপার্টমেন্টকেই বলছি একটু ভালো কাজ করেনি এমনকি এখন আমাদের সিএম যাতে প্রতিবাদটা বন্ধ করার চেষ্টা করছেন আমার মনে হচ্ছে আজকে 144 ধারা জারি করে দিয়েছেন এখানে যাতে মানুষ প্রতিবাদ করতে না পারে উনি আমাদের সঙ্গে কোনো সহযোগিতা করেননি বরং কেসটা মানে পুরো যাতে তাড়াতাড়ি করে মিটিয়ে দেওয়া যায় সেই চেষ্টাই করছিলেন
Let's also now talk about the people who have been nabbed so far in this particular case. The horrific crime that took place in Kolkata at the RG Kar hospital. There was a vandalism that was in fact reported. Take March night. Now, RG Kar vandalism case has till now had 37 arrests so far in that particular case. To give us more information on that very aspect, we have our colleague Kamalika Sengupta live with us. Kamalika, 37 arrests so far. Information that's trickling in post the arrests?
See, 37 arrests till now has been taken place and now more arrests to come. That's what we are getting it from police sources. What was the motto of these people who went to vandalize RG Kar is still a big question. We went to 4 to 5 accused place and almost all of them say they went there to click some photos or they were standing. So this is a question that a lot of people have been claiming, alleging that they were picked up just because they were standing. But definitely there was something behind it. Otherwise, this was a clear plan that some people are saying. The ruling party is also saying, the opposition is also saying the same thing. Okay. They have called certain DYFI leaders, but the police is working on it, but yet to get the right motive. Mob which inside there were some people who just for the sake of vandalized it. But there must be definite motive. Otherwise, how will they know that what is an they to attack the and that they are angry with the police that they attacked the police headquarters. Though they have beaten up the police, they have broken the police cars, but then the motto still is not clear. 37 arrests have taken place. and the special detective department cell is looking after it. So Thursday, Wednesday is the hearing of the case. But now another
Yes,
victim.
yes.
Kolkata police has almost sent 1,000 notices. That
Okay.
is the now another part which has come up where very renowned cardiologist Dr. Kunal Sharkar, he has been summoned. Dr. Shubhana Goswami has been summoned. They will go today. They will rally and reach Lal Bazaar, that we know. Another interesting thing is insider from Trinamool Congress, the MP, Rajya Sabha MP, very senior leader Shukendra Shekhar, yesterday has demanded that the commissioner should be taken into custody. And there he provided certain information like Stefford dogs leached lately and all those things. So sources, he has been summoned twice yesterday. So we are getting from police sources that whatever he has posted in social media, that is factually correct. Another big development, let me tell you.
Yes.
There's this 17 years old girl named Kirti. She has been picked up by the police because she has written in her post social media that like Indira Gandhi, Mamata Banerjee को भी उड़ा दिया जाए, कोई नहीं कर पा रहा है तो हम कर देंगे. So you know, this is another thing which is who is posting what in postbook. And this is a movement, this common people is there in the movement, but lot of them, they don't know the technicalities, legalities. They are writing whatever they can. That is again creating. Now this 17 years old girl, whether she, I mean, it's her parents are saying there is no motive. She just wrote it like that. But for the fact that whatever she has written, she is threatening the chief minister herself. So for that she has been picked up. So a lot of these things are also going on as far as the people and the investigation is concerned, the vandalization and the present
Absolutely.
situation.
Kamalika, stay with us. We also have Arunima with us on the broadcast. As much social media is a boon for us, it's also turning out to be a bane, especially in cases like this. Arunima, we have seen what had happened in the United Kingdom, something similar being played out in Kolkata, in India as well. Social media at play to spread misinformation. At least that is the major accusation against two senior doctors, also a BJP former MP from Kolkata, Lockett Chatterjee. What are you learning when it comes to the questioning that is slated to happen later this afternoon?
See, there are two parallel investigations going on. Kolkata police is looking at the issue of vandalizing of RJ Kar that happened and people who have been posting on social media regarding the main case of rape and murder and also the vandalizing. So that probe is going on separately. But connected to it is the CBI investigation as well. The parents are also on record saying this, that after 5 days, if CBI is not telling us what exactly they have found in the last 5 days, because at the end of day 4, Kolkata police had arrested main accused Sanjay Roy. It had, given some details about what they felt was the way the crime unfolded. But after 5 days, we've not heard anything from CBI. All we know is that a lot of people have been questioned. Sanjay Roy's psychological analysis have been carried out. The principal is firmly in the dock. He's being repeatedly questioned. But where is all this leading to? I think till the time there is clarity about where CBI investigation is leading to, this sense of injustice, the sense of mistrust, this anxiety that West Bengal and perhaps the entire country is plagued with at the moment will not die down. And one way to address the social media phenomena is of course what police is doing, cracking down on misinformation. But the other way is also to regain the confidence of the people. And that can be done only if CBI reveals what their probe has found, something which is missing. And I understand why it is that, because they're carrying out a scientific process. It's not a 2-minute Maggie noodle. It takes time. But patience on the ground is running thin.
Absolutely. Stay with us.